Welcome everybody to the show, and again we have our own Jason Hugate with Steamboat doing a wonderful dish today for us today. Jason, you have a special lady next to her. Tell her who we are.
Well, today, Joe, we want to introduce our very special guest, Miss Glenda Fuller from the Cooking Cousins, who actually won last year at the Catfish Festival. So
wow.
Just a few minutes, we will let her tell her little story of last year's event.
Okay, great. So let's get started with the dish, Jay.
First, Joey, this is a very, very simple dish. I really always did like the more simple recipes as far as ingredients goes. So today we are going to take one of my favorite seasonings. I've used this on the show before. This is an Orts. It's called Orts Seafood Ball.
Seafood Ball,
and
right.
It's found locally. We're going to put some in our boiling water just to. We are going to. Yeah, I love that. It just smells like we're gonna.
It smells
like
good.
We're about to boil some crawfish right now. So basically, we just have some plain boiling water and our seasoning. And what we're going to do is we have some catfish fillets right here that we are going to put in here, and our seasoning is going to give that a little bit of a nice little flavorful fillets once they come out. Once these are done, this doesn't take that long. It may take a little longer in here than normal because of our excellent stove we have here. So you want to be very gentle with it, and you don't want to overdo them where they're all falling apart in the water. So we're going to lightly poach these real quick. Okay. Just want to make sure that they're done most of the way. And we'll be frying them in a little bit. So you don't necessarily have to have them completely cooked, but you want to be able to have them to where they're flaking off with a fork.
Got it.
So we'll
Ms. Glenda, tell us a little about your experience last year at the Catfish Festival.
Yeah, we had a great time. We ended up going and cooking our couvillon, which is a dish that my father cooked for years, and we always ate. We set our place up, and we had a little friendly family competition as well as competing with the other cooks.
It's always friendly.
I know. My aunt, Mavis, who lives here in Opelousas, who is a Quibido also, she ended up cooking as well as I did. We cook a little bit different, her and I, but it all comes out good.
Great.
Yeah, so we ended up I cook a little bit more with herbs than she does, and they say mine is more of a Creole cooking, as hers is a Cajun cooking.
Correct, right.
So there is a difference.
Very big difference.
Big difference.
People from maybe out of state, people may not realize that, but us around here, we know that the Cajun and Creole is two different ways of thinking. Ingredients is different things that they use. Use a lot of tomato in the Creole.
Right.
A lot of other non-traditional ways that we do.
I know. I don't know. I am from Bossier City. I was actually born in Whiteville, which is out of Washington. Right down the road. That's right. And went to school first and second grade at Washington High School. So I really feel like I'm from here. But being there in North Louisiana,
right.
I do. My tendency is to cook a little bit different than what they do. So it's always fun
different
when
I
win. When I win. Although she did come in second.
You always want to set yourself apart when you're in a cook-off like that, especially when it's like a gumbo cook-off. You always want to be a little bit different because it starts to taste the same, everything. So if you do one little thing that's a little bit different, kind of sets you apart. The judges remember all that. So
that's right. That's right. And in fact, it's opening at this time. They have several bands that are playing tonight. Patrick Henry and the Liberations playing. At 8:45, Chris Ordway and New Step takes over. And to finish the night tonight, 10:30 to 12, is Keith Frank and the Swallow Zydeco Band.
One thing about the Catfish Festival, there's always like tons of great artists that are playing the whole weekend. It's a big lineup. Every night there's some big headliners. Keith Frank, like you said.
And they have several craft booths there, as well as eateries that you can, take from.
So everybody, get down to the Catfish Festival and get you some nice catfish dishes. And I know there's a couple of people that we know that's gonna be out there. Buffalo's Catering, which he did a show with us here too, is that could be out there. So good luck to Buffalo's Catering and all the participants that'll be taking care of the Catfish Festival this weekend. And tonight is family night, Friday night. It's Friday, okay.
Right.
And among the other people that are playing is Gino Delafosse will be playing, Keith Frank, Chubby Carrier, Crossfire, Little Kenny, J. Paul, and that's just a small of the lineup. They got so many different
yeah,
people.
you need to come and dance, and then you get to eat. Oh, they're the wonderful catfish.
So get down to the Washington, the 13th Annual Catfish Festival. And Jason, talk about catfish. How's ours doing?
Looking pretty good. I'm going to let it go for another few minutes. It's
Okay.
should be close to done. Like I said, in my kitchen, it probably would have been pretty
Done
close
already.
by now.
Oh, we have this big commercial stove back there, too.
Our little burners, like I always call them, the little burners that could, because they try.
Right.
But they just they take a little longer than normal.
Well, Jason, since the Catfish Festival is just down the road from the steamboat itself, why don't you remind everybody about your hours and stuff?
Well, we are open from Tuesday through Thursday, 5 p.m. to 9:30 p.m., Friday and Saturday, 5 to 10:30 p.m., and Sundays, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. for lunch only, and we are closed on Mondays. But if you're in town this weekend and you want to come by and just kind of see whatever else Washington has to offer, we're right down the road, actually not even a quarter mile. You can
That's
walk,
right.
Oh, yeah.
You can walk.
You could actually walk from there. It's a beautiful scenery, the whole walk all the way down.
It is.
So it's really, really nice.
And I've had your catfish Lizzie and Diane and absolutely love it. So don't limit yourself to just that.
That's
Catfish
right.
Diane is something that we added a few years ago, and it's become probably one of our biggest sellers, if not the biggest
I
seller.
can understand why. I can understand why.
It's very, it's not very extravagant. It's just like your typical little seafood dish. But I guess we're just the way we prepare is just
People love it.
yeah.
It's just
It's
seasoned so
wonderful.
well. That
perfect,
makes
yeah.
a
Fresh
difference.
crab meat from Abbeville. So,
That's right. And he's got this fresh herb garden that he uses in the back. So, a lot of times when they have a wait line, everybody can walk down on the wharf and stuff, and you can actually go walk
The
and see his
atmosphere,
herb. Yeah.
it's part of the sell too.
Definitely.
I'll tell you what, we take a quick break, and then when we come back, I'll go ahead and take these fillets out and show everybody how to do it.
Join us back for more What's Cooking in just a few minutes.